Namaskara and Namaste. Hey everyone, I'm Niru from Drapes Day Desire. Let's celebrate Indian fashion together from saris to jewelry and beyond. Welcome back to my series Celebrating You by Drapes Day Desire. Today, let's talk about something real. We all love clothes and jewelry, but honest agi nodidre ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇದ್ರೂ कभी कभी शॉपिंग करना भी एक स्ट्रगल बन जाता है ना? So in today's topic, we will talk about something every woman will relate to. That little stress we feel when we go out to buy a sari, an attire, a jewelry, just about anything for ourselves or for gifts. Yes, we all love dressing up, but honestly, sometimes it's not as simple or as joyful as it should be. है ना? कभी कभी जो चीज़ हमें ब्यूटीफुल फील कराना चाहिए, it leaves us confused, it leaves us frustrated because of the shopping experiences that we have. ನೀವೊಂದು ಶಾಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ or you're scrolling online and instead of feeling an excitement, ಒಂಥರ we have a pressure, we feel some sort of pressure हो जाता है कि pressure to choose quickly, pressure to fit into trends or to look a certain way. So how many times have we walked out of a store unsure of whether we made the right choice, right? Now correct ಆಗಿರೋ ಥಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಾ, ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಸೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಾ, डिड वी वो चीज़ हमें एक्चुअली सूट करता है क्या, मुझे एक्चुअली चाहिए था क्या? We have all of these things about that product, or sometimes even a tiny voice inside our head, right? That keeps telling us, do you think this color will suit me? Do you think it is too simple? Do you think I'm looking overdressed? Do you think this is the right thing to wear to this party? How will others be dressed? So when we finally buy something, that joy that should last for a long time, from when we buy it to take it home, it doesn't, right? Because the sari or the jewelry in the store looked different than when you came back home. Your thoughts have changed. You suddenly feel like, I've got myself. And honestly, I've heard many women say this, right? That they've felt so, and more so recently, with all the Diwali shopping, everybody walking into Drapes Day Desire, the thing they tell us is, hey, you know what? Shopping leaves us confused. It leaves us unsure. And something that should make us feel celebrated, they don't. It is how we express ourselves, right? Shopping, things we wear should be able to express ourselves. So what we have done for today is to see how we can ease those shopping frustrations, right? That is what we will talk about today. So when people came into our store during the festive season, they said what they loved about Drapes, and that's what I love about that people love about us, is that they did not feel that kind of stress. In fact, they felt that genuine celebration because of the way we approached our clients, right? And that got me thinking, how are we different? What are we doing differently? And then that's when I realized that we have a really tiny space, right? So it's so when a customer comes in, we are not very crowded, and we kind of give that one-on-one experience to them. So that's when I started to collect, what works for us, right? So what worked for us at Drapes, and what you can do for your next shopping, is also that you can think of things like, you need to stop chasing trends, right? You need to start chasing your feelings. How do you want to feel? Bold or graceful or comfortable? You have to focus on that emotion, right? When clients ask me, hey, this is trending, ididya nimatra, regardless of the current trend, I always tell my clients, how do you want to feel? How are you visualizing yourself for this event, for this festival? Anta. So that's rule number 1. Rule number 2 is take a 3-second pause. Sometimes clients come alone to us. They don't bring anybody. So when they wear something, they're like, hey, what do you think? Does it, look good on us? I always say, ma'am, wear it. Take a 3-second break, see how you feel, right? Listen to your inner voice, and once you wear it, once you think about it, if it doesn't spark that joy, if you don't feel beautiful in it, then just say it's quite not for me. Do that whether you're going into a store, trying to pick trying to pick an item, or even while you're scrolling online and trying to add it to the cart. Close your eyes, take a 3-second break. Next is go for things that you're already sure. You already know your palettes, right? You already know the style. Start with that. For instance, like my colors that I think suit me the most are pinks, mustard shades, rust oranges. These are my colors. This doesn't mean that I don't try new things, I don't have different colors. You can of course see that I'm wearing a completely different color than what I mentioned. But what it is don't abandon those classics, but let that be the base from where you start, right? So the next one that you have to do is go for a comfort test. I always tell my clients, like I already mentioned, that we don't have too many people coming into the store, so it feels more like a personal appointment, one-on-one. So I always tell them, wear it, keep it on, right, and see how you feel. So फैशन तभी सुंदर लगता है, तभी ब्यूटीफुल लगता है जब हम उसमें कंफर्टेबल फील करते हैं. ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವೆಷ್ಟು ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವೋ, ನಮ್ಮ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವೋ, ಆ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದೀಸ್ 4 ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ and let's talk about things. I know these little frustrations are real, and this is how I tell my clients to deal with it. So share your stories with me. Tell me any beautiful thing that you have seen a beautiful outfit only to later feel overwhelmed, rushed or unsure. How did you respond to it, right? I want to hear from you in the comments below. Tell me, did you walk out without buying that product? Did you buy it and regret it later? Or even what's your personal secret or a trick for dealing with shopping stress? As much as shopping is an exciting aspect, it's a good retail therapy is real. We at here at Drapes want to find out and understand your experiences. So let's create a space here. We'll create a space where we can connect with each other, find joys in celebration, joys in shopping, feeling beautiful in our Indian fashion, right? So thank you so much for watching. This is Niru from Drapes Day Desire, reminding you that every drape tells a story and yours deserves to shine. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell icon and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Drapes Day Desire for newer updates. See you soon. You can also tell me what is it that you want to hear in the next video. Until then, keep celebrating yourself, let your story shine, and I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful week ahead, and I will catch up with you next week with episode 2, Celebrating You.